Okay, so today I want to show you the recording software that I'm using to record right now, and I've been using it for a while. It's called Tella.tv or Tella.com. They own the same domain. Okay, and you can use it to make videos to share with your team, which is what I've been doing for a while. Then when I had a team members, use it to make videos easily. And you can also, it's also what I'm using to record this video for YouTube. I'm going to try and use really good edits for this video so you see what the edits looks like. So everything, I'm going to edit it on Tella from start to finish. You can do the invisible recorder where it doesn't show on the screen, and you just record your thing and it happens. And you can see you can remove mistakes, remove silence, remove filler words, and you see how this is well structured, beautiful. You can change the background and make it really, really appealing. Okay, and you can do automatic zoom effects, remove filler words, which is very nice. You can also do audio enhancements and add subtitles if you want to. And a latest feature they added is to edit with text. Okay, so I'm going to show you this is the home page. I'm going to show you the dashboard. Before I do that, let me quickly run through the pricing. The plan I'm currently on is the Pro plan. I'm on the monthly plan. So that's the one I'm currently using. This plan is more than enough for most people. This one is when you want to like add a custom domain. So a custom domain would mean that when you share the link of your videos, it will have your domain name, which is for like advanced companies. And then there like a domain restriction. Okay. Remove teller branding, export, so if you want to restrict the link, and then advanced analytics. So this is the plan I'm currently using. It's more than awesome. So I can track analytics. So what I mean when they mean by track analytics, if you go to this place now, you see the analytics. You see in the last 30 days, the amount of people that have clicked the link that I have made videos on is 43. So what I mean by click the link is I get analytics on where are people watching my videos from for team videos. Did someone click the link and things like that, and where are they coming from? I can see this and this. That's strange. Why I don't know anybody from this part of the world. How come they are watching my videos? Who knows? I really don't know. I understand where this Nigeria is coming from. That's where team members I made videos for is coming from. But this Netherlands, Amsterdam, I I don't know. I don't know. Okay, but you can see I've made 298 videos so far. I really do intend to make more videos, so you'll be seeing more videos on this channel, and I'll be using this software. I really want to like, because I can make unlimited videos, but for a while I've not been making videos, so I want to really use the two. And you can see workspace. You can create playlists to organize the videos, and you can also create workspace. Playlist is a bit different. Workspace is also different. Okay, playlist, when you shift when you take the video to workspace, it's taken, but with a playlist the video can be in a playlist and also be in this my videos. Yeah, I think so. And let me show you one of the video I recently made. So I just show you the edits, what that looks like. Okay, so this is a video review, so you can see. So this is what, so if I copy this link and I share it with I can copy the link and share it, and just once I make a video, I copy the link and I send it, and they can click the link and just view the video without me having to go download and upload. Okay, and this is what they will see. This is what they will see. They will see the chapters. They can easily navigate the video. They would see the transcripts. They can read along, or they can even copy it if they want to. They would see the comments. They can say, "Oh, I don't understand. What do you mean by this?" and put a comment here. And they can also ask AI to create something out of this video, and they can also react to the videos depending on how they're feeling. They can put the reactions. So let me put something. I think I did a great job. Fire. It was fire. I know. I think fire emoji means it was fire. I really don't know. Okay, and they can right now. The reason like I am seeing the download and edit is because I'm logged in, but the download, for someone to be able to download, you have to like turn on that option for them. It's optional. Do you want people to be able to download the video or just watch? Okay, then this edit. So with edit, I want to show you what the edit looks like. so you can see what I mean by the layout. Now, once you finish recording, this is what you see. You see your transcript. If you delete something from the transcript, it will delete it from the video. Okay, so you can just come here and say, let's say you want to remove this part and delete it. Okay, boom, you delete it, and that's it. Okay, and then of course I can undo it. I don't want to delete that part. But immediately you can just scroll through the text and edit it. Okay, and you can also find mistakes. You can, right now I've already removed the silence, removed the fillers, so it's easier. It's easier for me to edit. Okay, yeah. So you can see the layout. Okay, let me quickly run through the important parts so you understand the two. So I can find mistakes, I can remove buffers, which I've done already. So buffers is the 5 to 2 seconds before you start, when you click record, before you actually start saying something. Those buffers, it will remove it. And it can also remove silences. Do I want fast? Do I, depending on how the kind of video. So, and I can also remove filler words. Once I do that, it will remove the off. So you see so they've all been deleted. Now the sweet part I want to show you is you can add subtitles, but I don't like to add subtitles to my video. I just feel like I really don't like to add subtitles to my video. Like especially when it's baked in. I don't like that. So if that's what you like, you can do your own thing. But it's there. And you can also add zooms. I don't do the zooms because if I'm making a lot of video, doing zooms it's just a lot of work. I don't like I don't like to do that. So you can highlight areas, you can blur sensitive content, you can also add sound effects. So you can do all your editing here. That's if you're making YouTube videos. What I like is the layout option. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So if your video is less than 20 minutes, you can do automatic layout. So you can, so when you click on auto, you're going to click on generate and it's going to generate. Now, take note of the way this layout is, and it's going to generate the layout. It's doing this thing. And meanwhile, while it's doing this thing, there's the audio. So with the audio, you can increase the volume of the audio. You can also do studio sound. Okay, when it's done, you can easily download or you can view. So if you're making a video for a team, you can just remove the silences. So when I'm recording, it makes it easy for me. When I see a part that I'm intentionally make mistake, I I pause. Okay, and or I say a keyword. So for you, you could have a keyword. Let's say the keyword is import. You know, keyword that you don't say often, so that when you make mistake, you could say, for example, sorry. And so everywhere you've said sorry, you can easily just search for it and go to those places and remove the mistakes. That way, when you're making screen share videos, it's easy to just make the videos. And when you make a mistake and when you're recording, there are mistakes you make where you're like, I need to cut this part. Instead of pausing and saying, okay, what time, like you can just say sorry, something like that. It doesn't have to be sorry, it could be something else. But make sure it's a word that is, it's easy for you to remember, and just say sorry, and then you search for the word and go cut those parts out and remove the mistakes. So that's that. The other thing we have is we also have the style option. So I can change the background. So let's see the style. So the style, I can change the background. We have animated colors. I need something beautiful, something. Okay, there are colors. I don't like colors. It's too sharp. I need animated. Animated, where are you? I think I like this. This is good. I mean, does this look good? Yeah. This, this, this is lovely. I think yeah. This is amazing. Okay, now. So yeah, I like this one. Okay, so you can take the layouts. You can also say how do you want the border to be like. So you see how the border changes to. See, you can also make it sharp. I don't like that sharp. Let's just stick with this guy. It looks way better. You can also add your logo to the video. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, so let's go back to the auto layout. Still generating. It's going to take some time to cook. Once it's completely generated, I would come back to the video and do a showcase so you can see what the video looks like. In the meantime, let me just play so even this without the auto layout and everything, this looks great. I mean, It looks great. It looks professional. But I just want to show you what the auto layout looks like. Now, keep in mind that you can record videos as long as you want. It's just that the auto layout option where it's going to like switch different layouts and cross and split into different scenes. That option, the video has to be less than 20 minutes, but you can do your 40 minutes video and edit it manually. So you see how the video, the thing has changed the layout of the video. It's changing it. It's changing it. It's changing it. See? Okay, so I'm going to play the video for you so you see how the layout changes. So it's kind of editing it and giving you different styles. So the first part with me, and this is just me on the screen. Okay, so you can you can see how it's changing the different layouts. So it's not just one layout all through the video. You can see. So it changes the layout now. You see a switch in between. You see. So it's really, so if you come here too, you see switch this way depending on the scene. So this comes in handy when you're editing YouTube videos. But if it's the regular video you just want to make to explain or make an SOP for your team, just make your video and copy the link and put in Notion or wherever document that you're using. So this is Tella. For someone who wants to make videos, I would recommend Tella. It's easy, it's simple, it's unlimited. You don't have to pay for storage costs or any of those things. And when you make a video, the video is there for you to use. I have videos that I made 6 months ago, 8 months ago. They're still on Tella, and if people click the link, it still work. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll put the link to sign up for the tool in the description. I'll see you in the next video.